Good morning from Comuna 13 in Medellin, Colombia. It's a must-see when visiting Medellin. It's a thriving hillside community of artists and musicians, and it wasn't always that way. It has experienced a rebirth. It used to be a stronghold for the cartel, for gun runners. It was considered one of the deadliest cities in the world, an absolute no-go. Then, in 2002, the Colombian government came in with 3,000 troops, helicopters, a tank. They killed dozens. They arrested hundreds, and it was very controversial at the time because it affected a lot of innocent people. But since then, the government has also installed an escalator system. There are no roads in this community, and what used to take 25 minutes to walk up now takes 6 minutes. And this fueled a rebirth. And today, we're gonna do a tour of Comuna 13, and I hope you enjoy yourself. Let's do it. Hola, hola. You can see the community is incredibly colorful. There are so many alleyways and stairwells and things to explore. It's seems like the perfect place to get lost in. There are many, many shops to explore. Around every corner, there's something new to see. Buenos dias. Let us continue upward. There's a photo gallery. Let's go check this out. And as you can see, it's still a community where people live. These are their homes. All of these murals are telling a story. The story of Comuna 13. October 16th, 2002. That is the date of the government raid that forever changed the path of this community. We have a woman here who is selling big ass ants.
Hormigas.
Sí. ¿Cuánto es?
Esto 10,000.
10,000.
10,000, 20,000 y 50.
I don't need that many ants.
Con spicy, sin spicy.
Do you have a cambio for 100,000?
Sí.
Sí? I'll take a small.
Una. ¿Con spicy o sin spicy?
Spicy ants?
Una tiene, otra no.
Sí, sí, spicy. I like my ants spicy.
Spicy.
Okay. Perfecto. All right, I got my bag of big ass ants. It says, big ass ants. The ants are rich and delicious toasted. They have a salty peanut flavor. They are crispy and represent the biodiversity of Colombia. They are typical of the Santander region. It's a tradition inherited from the native Colombian Guana tribe. They inhabit our lands from the 7th century to the 15th and disappeared with the arrival of the Spaniards, those damn Spaniards. Okay, let's continue on. I'm not positive, but I have a hunch big ass ants are better when enjoyed with a nice cold beverage such as a beer. As we continue up the escalators, the view just gets better and better and better. I wish it was a clear day, but it's still beautiful. It's okay, puppies.
El recuerdo pese más que verte en una foto. A mí no me perturban con ideologías absurdas. Cada canción que fabrico son antorchas y turbas. Si acelero más es mi decisión, pero yo prefiero mejor morirme en tus curvas. Por estos lares no hay ningún perro que ladre. Todos en silencio muerden si no me enseñan de pare, vale. No me den órdenes que rompo reglas y compases. La ley para mí no existe si no son las de mi madre.
Okay, we started our journey way down there. But if you turn and look, it goes way over there. This neighborhood is a lot larger than I had thought. Let's continue.
Usted siempre dice nada para no dar, ¿me entiendes? Bienvenidos a la casa de
All right, this young man has stopped me, and he asked me if I want to see a magic trick.
Yeah. Yeah.
And what is your name?
Yeah.
What's tu nombre is?
Kevin.
Kevin.
Yeah.
I'm Ken.
You?
Ken.
Welcome. Muchas gracias. Welcome.
Muchas gracias. All right, let's see this magic trick. I got a camera on you, so.
My friend, you want to see stop.
Stop.
Memory card, memory.
Okay,
Memorize.
I got it.
Yeah.
See?
Shuffle, mirror. Please shuffle. My friend, you card?
No.
You card?
No.
You card?
No.
My friend, touch one.
I'll say that one.
You card?
No.
Touch one.
That one.
You card.
No.
My friend, you.
Okay.
You card.
Well, goddamn, Kevin.
Yeah.
That was one hell of a trick. I appreciate the entertainment, Kevin. Gracias.
Thank you. My friend.
My friend,
you.
thank you.
Thank you.
Damn, that was a pretty good trick. At first I was like, nah, this isn't, nah, I'm not buying it. But then the fact it was the last card I picked. Also, you'll notice when people ask my name, I usually just say Ken, which is my real name, but everyone calls me Buffer, but it's just not fun to explain it. So I just go with Ken. Especially if you're just passing through my life and, you know, your only role in it is to show me a magic trick. In that case, you call me Ken. Okay? Here's a nice little market. I'm gonna get myself a beer. I think it's time.
You can't exercise the next day when you're developing any sort of fitness parameter, consistency.
Buenos días.
Buenas, a la orden.
Ay. ¿Cuánto?
5,000.
Ah.
Con mucho gusto.
Sí, gracias. 5,000. Yeah, it's the cheapest Colombia I've had since I've been in the country. With the best view. Ciao.
No me den órdenes que rompo reglas y compases. La ley para mí no existe si no son las de mi madre. Supuestos reales, hablando lo que en realidad no pasa en sus hogares. Yo sin hablar de tantas armas ni la calle la viví con raps o la guerra que incendia en todos lares. Si buscan la salida hasta la entrada donde no están.
There's another route down the hill called the traditional route, and you're advised not to take it. It's supposed to be dangerous, but I've convinced a young man, Diego, to take me. And he said he can't take me the whole way, but We're gonna give it a go. Have my beer. I'm following Diego. He's taking me into the town, the area that you're not supposed to go in. But he claims to be the FA of this town,
Oh, fine.
and that I'll be safe with him. So let's go, Diego.
La Comuna. That's it.
Yeah, he's from the streets.
Oh, yeah.
Diego's getting demanding. He's calling me slow.
Come on, yeah.
We are leaving the beaten path. Oh,
Yo.
fuck, Diego, I stepped in dog shit.
Oh, yo.
Oh, it smells. Fuck, man.
No. You.
Oh, Diego,
Oh, you.
that's disgusting, man.
Oh, you.
But you tell me to take a picture of the mural and then you say, come on. All right, let's go. Come on. Woo, fuck.
Mire. You.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Come on.
Yo, mire.
You have one goal. You have, yes, see. You get me back down safely.
Oh, yo, yeah.
No peligroso. No, let's go. I got you.
Ciao.
All right, so
Come on.
I'm coming. Let's go. So Diego demanded payment before he'd go any further.
Oh, fish.
So I took him down. I'm not going down that.
You.
You, go for it.
Oh,
No.
oh, you.
All right, go.
Go, yeah.
That actually seems like the better way down, but I got too much crap in my hands. Diego, mi no me gusta perros.
Come on.
All right, I'm coming.
Elefante. And bici. And bici, come on.
I know.
Oh.
Diego has abandoned me, but I'm on a mission to return this way. With Diego, without Diego, this is how it's going down. Everyone's very, very cool, and we're actually standing.
Welcome to Comuna.
We're standing under the football field, let's go take a look at it. Gracias. Ciao. They want me to do some cocaine with them, but no, I took a hard pass on that. So, yeah. ¿Dónde? Which direction? This way, correcto? See? All right, now it's really starting to look different. And yeah, we'll keep pushing forward. I'm not sure if this is the correct direction to go. Is this correcto? Correcto? Direction? Eternal? See? Muchas gracias. Okay. Very helpful. Buenos dias. Hola. Buenos. Buenos dias. That was actually pretty quick. Hold on. That's pretty quick. I think we're back close to the beginning already. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Ah, good. Here comes the trash truck. Hopefully clean up that nonsense. I have a lot of work to do. A lot of work to do. Yeah, I think we're back to the beginning. It looks familiar.
Levanta la gorra. La pava.
Well, there you have it. Comuna 13. up there, up to the top of the community with the escalators and back down through the hood. Beautiful, great people, loved it.
In YouTube, you can find me like Max MAKZ _1 Max1 on YouTube. I have 2 songs on YouTube. In this moment, I'm doing my personal album. I'm recording my song, and this is one song. This is called No Pares, Don't Stop on YouTube. Max1. Comuna 13.